Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle, and with me this morning it's not just Marzel. Marzel is driving the car, as you can see, because we are heading to Mass Nevi and the road is bad, as you know if you have been following us. So we have exited the car because we have my daughter Trimel with me, who is assisting us today, and the Shelly, who afraid of the camera, but we just assure her because I wanted to see them both. So we're heading to Mass Nevi. We have, a few donors who would have donated some funds for us to do a number of things. We'll get into that when we are at Mass Nevi and give you more details. And also, we have decided to bring Mass Nevi a mattress, which was also donated a couple of months ago. We'll get into that as well when we're there. Please do remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video, you will be notified. So we are walking because we have a number of things in the car, and so everybody plus the load would have caused it to brush, and it would be more difficult to get through. So we are walking. All right, so when we get further up the road, we'll be right back with you. All right. Okay. We should have asked myself to wait for we further up the road. Not true. I'm gonna stay there, but eh? Oh, you might just do that because further up the road is not so bad. It's just these parts. So we can only hope that he will wait for us. I don't know what that is, but anyway. Okay, yes, so we're still on the road, guys, still walking. We see Marzel stop. We're not sure if he's waiting for us or if he's just talking, because there's a part of the road that is a little bit better, so maybe we can go in at that side, at that part rather. Okay, so it is evident, and we might wait, and he's just talking to some gentleman on the road. So we continue to walk. Now point it over there, man. Morning.
You don't see. I try to work on the road. Wish if I could. Because I'm up that password.
Okay. Huh? No, we're not reach. Yeah, wait for we.
Yeah, when I can't drive by myself.
Oh, thank God. Woo.
Maybe you're not for that drive and I come up kind of so bad.
Really? I know we actually. So bad because we're not in there. Alright, guys, so we get to ride in the car from here. Say good morning.
Good morning.
We have to tell good morning.
You say me if you say good morning, I'm just say it. You don't tell me who to say it to.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Okay. Alright, so we're gonna continue on the journey, so we'll be back with you once you're at Mass Nevi. Alright guys, we have arrived at Mass Nevi, and today we have a number of things that we plan to do, and earlier I did not tell you why. We have my daughter with me and Shelly behind us because we are delivering some items, some grocery and so on, but we plan to do a little cleaning for Mass Nevi, you know, and just to replace maybe some curtains and so on. So that is why we have the extra hands on board today. All right, please remember to stay with us, Mass Nevi Day. Mass Nevi, how you doing?
Not too bad, man.
You not expect us today, not true? Okay, we come and we carry company to or far away today.
Yes, man. Good man.
Yeah, man. All right, so we have Mass Nevi. We want to do something today. Let me just get some things from the car and then we can come down here.
Yes, man. Water and everything. Yes, man. Come.
All right, may I come? What else must bring? You can pass me that bag, the Marcel, let me carry that. Chamelia, can bring more stuff? Hold on, let me. Just, yeah man, go on with that. Just carry it and come back. So everyone, we are here. We're just taking down the things to Mass Nevi, and then now we can start some work. So hopefully we can get somewhere, you know, just to make the space a little bit more comfortable for him. And Marcel will be doing some weeding of the grass, so he has his weed walker and he's just preparing so he can just brush at least the front of the yard.
Yeah, cut till the gas done.
Yeah, cut till the gas done?
Yeah.
Me can show you now? Okay. Okay, so Marcel is getting ready. Oh boy.
On the back seat.
Oh. So Chumel, why never bring down those and come back? Because the mattress to go down and the water, it's not heavy.
Can you bring the mattress?
You bring the mattress? They carry the water. See stick there. Because it put down in the sun.
So we're going to start off with.
I don't know yet. When we go down there. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Oh boy, so Mass Nevi don't even know when we're coming because he doesn't have a phone, so we have to just take the chance, you know. I don't think he leaves often though, so chances are when we're coming, the possibility is high that he'll be here. Oh. You good now? It have a clip somewhere there, so.
But I feel like it has short.
Oh. Alright. Chumeli, have an empty hand over there? Carry this.
Hey, come here, I have to go put this in your bag.
You have mine too?
Main thing. The gas.
Okay, so we're gonna have a long day. We're hoping to, you know, do everything before it starts to rain so we can leave. Because as you know, maybe the road is different, you know, slippery or so when it's raining. And it's wet because it was raining yesterday. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it was left on like Shelly.
Mm-hmm.
Remember one knife in the door there. You see khaki?
Alright guys, so this is it. Everybody have something bringing. Some people make multiple trips except for Trimel. Oh, and myself. Mass Nevi. Oh Lord.
Yeah, man.
You eat already?
Huh?
You ate already?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so we brought you some breakfast, so maybe I can eat it for lunch or something.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, just leave this out there for me.
Yeah, for now. So Mass Nevi.
Mattress, yeah?
Yes, sir. All right. You want to go get that one?
Yes, we hold on, Mass Nevi. No, do not need it.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so put this in. And the breakfast, you can bring the breakfast. I'm gonna put it. You want it now, or just put it on the table?
Put it on the table, my family can't put it in the kitchen.
The kitchen too far. Put it on it. One inch. Put it on the table. Yeah. So we're gonna head in. All right. So Mass Nevi, let me tell you what we plan to do today. So we plan to give you a little helping hand. So we noticed when we were here last time, the mattress was not,
Yes, ma'am.
So there's a mattress that was donated to us some time ago from an anonymous donor in Pepper, St. Elizabeth.
Yes, ma'am.
And so we decided to take it to you.
Yes, ma'am.
So right away, we just want to big up the donor.
Yes, ma'am.
God bless you. And see, it's been beneficial to Mass Nevi, and I know that he appreciates it.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me just say Mass Neville, because every time I say Mass Nevi, then Mass Nevi then call him Mass Nevi, right?
Yes,
What Marcel say Mass Neville? What you call him? Nevi.
Most people call him Nevi.
Nevi. Okay, so now I'm in the habit of saying Mass Nevi, so it's a little bit hard. But anyways, and so in addition to that, Mass Neville, we are going to change the curtains for you.
Yes, ma'am. We want you.
Yes, and we have a set of sheets that we brought also.
Yes.
And these things are from the donors who would have sent us some barrels. So we took those from the barrel,
Yes.
and that is why we're able now today to hand it over to you. Thanks also to our donors.
It's a new set to it.
Oh yes, man. Right, and in addition to that, we brought some clothes from the barrel as well. And then there are 3 donors who sent some funds, and we got you groceries.
Yes, ma'am.
We got you 2 brand new shirts,
Yeah.
and a jacket suit,
Yeah.
and a marine, and I think a pair of socks.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
All right, so
Bless those people, man.
yes, man, and also we're able to so we're gonna cut the yard for you. Did I say that to you already?
No.
Okay, so that too. Marcel gonna do that for you today.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, and then we have Shelly, and Trimel is my daughter, and we have Shelly, another young lady with us,
Yeah.
and she's gonna help just sweep out the house. So we bring broom and mop and polish.
Yes,
Right, so we're just gonna dust down, change a curtain, take off that mattress, and then just make the place a little bit more comfortable for you.
yeah.
All right.
Something, my ID under the bed, I got to.
Oh, you got all right. Secure your ID.
When we come in and
Yes.
back wall rock we are coming. Make you see me that you can say.
All right, take out that and come, Mass Nevi. Just wait for Mass Nevi for come out and say my security ID under the mattress. I don't want Shelly sweep it out and burn it with the old mattress.
Yeah.
Miss Donna. Oh, go on. Okay, all right. Okay. Okay. You secure your other stuff already, or that's just it?
Yes, we have some in the barrel.
But we're not trouble the barrel. We just change the mattress. So anything you have there where you want to remove. Sorry, Trim, Mass Nevi take out in box.
Them they are good stuff.
Some of them, sir.
Just rest it down right there so where you're there.
Alright, anything we not good, make we know. Because we are going to light on fire.
Yeah, alright. What me know they do about the mattress now? You can't put on post.
No, you're not going to keep it.
What you gonna do with it?
In the needle.
Suppose what?
One brother come from over so and sleep in the kitchen, so I say me that.
Yo, you lean up with him?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
My brother come where come from over. Man, sleep in my family.
Why you not go back panny?
No, sir. That just for when you come, I want chop all in for your bread pan place.
Oh. Okay. All right. No problem.
Yeah.
So Mass Nevi, we have 3 special donors this morning.
Yes, ma'am.
And they're responsible for the shirts that we would have bought, the 2 shirts, the 2 shirts that would have bought, the jacket suit, the groceries, you know, everything put together. And then there are some cleaning items that we brought as well. So we have to say thanks to them.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
God bless them, man.
Yes.
Thank them very much.
Yes. So thank you guys. It's always a pleasure. May God continue to bless and keep you so that you can go from strength to strength.
Yeah.
All right. So so we're gonna get the ball rolling now, Mass Nevi. All right.
Yes,
They have to do it so.
To turn it upside down.
Yeah.
All right, Shelly, make me a use the in here so now. Shelly, me no know if it hold on there. This a what? This a sponge. I wonder if we can throw it out. You know what you do first, Shelly? Cobweb the up here.
No kind of gloves.
We forgot the gloves.
That piece of sponge, there, we use it for.
Many dust in your face, Shelly.
Yeah, this way you use. Yeah, we take a cane and we go. Where do we this piece of sponge there?
One piece of sponge that was in front of the table. Where you use it though?
We don't use them.
Oh.
Yeah, yes, sir.
I hold it for something like those Duckans. A Duckans, what you call that? Duckans nest, the trail. They're right over Mass Nevi bed, and it's a good thing. Them open, so that means probably no ants no in there right now.
What you use? You want water?
Jamel get that one water. See it there on the table. It's a lot of dust now, Shelly.
You say that but she have the sinus.
Oh, she couldn't get to conduct it for you.
Yeah, that sinus bad.
Yeah. Shelly Mass Nevi said from him coming in a dust at the first it a dust. You know Mass Nevi there was a what you call that again? What that name again, Shelly? It's a Duckans nest? Duckans nest was over your bed, you know.
You know me spray them, spray.
Oh, that's why no in there. Just the
spray man.
Sit on the wall.
Duckans and dead out.
Okay.
It's washing the you know. We have some window, we take spray them.
Okay.
Body can first, man.
Yeah.
Let's find the whole man.
No, they get blessed from.
What you say, God bless you, you know.
Yeah.
God, you know. Yeah, man. Like you know, it's here, sir.
Mass Nevi say want it, my mattress, so we can't do it. It's not the bedding, it's the mattress.
Some poor people stay away, you know. We're glad for them, see, you know.
Because I heard you say, me look like in this look.
Some in the ants in there?
Right here, sir.
Oh, Lord.
Something there.
Yeah.
You see any ants? Mass Nevi, what is spray the way you say you have?
I come to the house and never like going to the house yet. Like what I like how it's talking out.
Ah,
You know, going to the house with my shoes on, you know.
yeah, but it's alright, man. Mass Nevi have spray, so that's why the ones over the bed, on the ceiling over the bed, not in there.
Sit here. I have to mind you with poison, you know.
This what? Oh, poison.
Hands.
Shelly, careful there. Alright, Shelly. It smell, it have one.
Yes, man,
Also. Alright, Shelly. You think they're dead now if I poison?
Yes, man. Then they wire some bad too.
Take that Mass Nevi. Shelly, remember Mass Nevi can see. So it has stretched in on no one.
Badness.
Yeah.
Go after next month.
Yeah. Marcel, what happened to you now?
What kind of start?
Oh no. It start
At
working.
first, it never takes so long to start. I always like dry it, maybe 2-3 times or so.
And it start.
Yeah, when me not use it for a while.
The devil is a liar. It soon start. We have to start before we leave anyways. We need it to use.
So I'll try.
You know the way they trim? Oh boy.
I've been carrying out, if me carry plug tool now,
You could pull it or so.
yeah, take out the plug and you know, check it to see if maybe if it carburetor flood or something. But you know say it's supposed to work alright, me no bother carrying out. But me, cause me never pull out this plug yet.
Oh boy. Alright. So what do you? You lose your cool.
Oh my God.
you throw down that day. It's so start, man. Just keep trying and see. If you just start us so. But me have a feeling say it might so start.
Might soon start.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Mass Nevi, I get cool shade now because you were sitting in the sun. Sun too hot now. Come out of the side here, Mass Nevi.
Yeah, sit down on the pipe. Come here. Right, this one.
Mass Nevi, we walker can't start.
Yes, man, that now, see.
What you say that you say?
Yes, man.
Come here.
Up to me with you.
You went to the barber?
Yeah.
Oh.
I will bring you out there.
Me go out there, myself and come back.
Which part you walk?
On the straight road there.
Really?
Yes, man. I'm go there. I walk with one piece of stick, you know.
Oh, you're going good, man.
Yeah, me walk. Already me go down a clinic, but you get medication.
You walk, go down
Yes, man.
by yourself?
Yes, man.
So you can stop by me and I take taxi.
Something you out there feel long.
Oh, before any taxi come.
Oh.
But when you come back, you take taxi, come back.
Oh,
When
okay.
you go down, you have to wait long and you know, say, so them places you go.
Yes.
You have to go in time.
So you have to go early. Maybe when you come out, no taxi not run yet.
You reach out the road around 8 o'clock.
Oh.
Taxi there on road enough.
So you get through at the clinic?
Yes, man, I get medication.
Okay, okay.
I'm a high blood pressure, you know. I'm going to me have.
Yeah.
So pressure pill.
Yes. Okay, okay. It not affect you otherwise though. Once you take your medication, you're good.
You know, say, it come like say, me not have high blood pressure, but the doctor tell me say, me no feel it. but me have it.
Yeah.
You have to be careful.
Oh, so can you not have no side effects or anything? You say maybe you know have
You
it?
have it, yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Me tell the doctor, so, but me not feel no pain or not like the doctor.
Yeah.
Me have it for high blood pressure, but you know, you no pain or nothing.
Ah.
I'm going to for a while now, all I come in the sun now, my head will hurt me.
Yes.
But for that way, me no feel no pain.
Okay, okay. So what you had for breakfast this morning?
Some of the biscuit they did give me,
Oh, a biscuit.
and sauce up leaf.
Oh, tea.
Yes, sir.
Also, me cannot eat the breakfast that we bring then. You want it?
Yes, me not ready for it. It's 12 pie biscuit and
Oh, so your belly full.
put it on the table, man.
The food, yeah, man, it in there.
Yeah. Can I go add that to my dinner?
Yes. Oh, so you don't normally eat lunchtime or you just eat something light to lunchtime?
Like how me cook, like how me, sometimes me just make one cooking, you know, me boil me tea, and me cook it same time.
Oh, okay.
But I go back again for,
Right.
like if I heat too much.
Yes.
Cool, Mass Nevi?
No, sir, really cool.
See around behind.
The
Even
hand,
if you put on one shirt, to sleeve.
the hand, yeah. You get one chop on it, it chop to the vein.
Oh, me can't see which part you get the stitches or
They
something.
say when you last blood, just I want me go to
See stitches, eh?
Yeah.
it's just a but my old man tell me, say, until you get a chop, I want man, you know, if you know Jerry Johnson, one man did Jerry Johnson and go to Santan, and I chop one banana. My old man say, until you get a bad chop, just cut one of the young banana sucker.
Squeeze out this
I just
something funny. Oh,
sap it on it.
Oh, that stop the bleeding.
You bleeding first time. If you don't do so, me say, when we go, I span, when we go to
I see
this,
this, yeah, see, they say the main vein.
Yeah, yeah.
I say, they couldn't do nothing to it. We go down so, we have to rush to Christian. And when we go to Christian, I like clothes me have on. They have to give me different clothes.
Yeah. Oh.
The doctor said me being have sugar, man. Lose me hand.
Oh my God.
Chop to the vein, you know, say the vein chop, you know.
So what were you doing when you get chopped, Mass
When
Nevi?
I cut grass,
For the cow?
them over Mr. Earl.
Oh, oh.
You want to try and start the waka again? Make me try again, here? Alright.
Oh no.
At
What?
first,
Yeah, the waka is always up and running and do really good.
So how long you use it?
Huh?
How long you use it?
since me use it,
How long?
a long time I not use it.
You know that's easy.
You think so?
But not so long, maybe about last month or
Use
so.
it though.
Cut the yard.
No, I say I pay for cut the yard last time.
Oh, I don't know how you do it.
When the last time you use a yard, me cut.
That's easy.
You think so? So we
Waka.
are gonna use it for unseasy. A peeling key. No screwdriver can work in it.
Brazil, no, walk with nothing because he might expect it to go work.
You know,
Cause
like
it's,
when you have a new car and you don't carry tool in it, seat ya. This car, you don't carry no tool in this car. Nah, start. It have to start, you know?
It has to.
And you want to start me, I'll let you give up. I mean, I don't care about it now.
so Mass Nevi going to do it now start waka.
Anybody watch me hire them?
Yeah.
Anybody a cut yard me hire them?
We cut yard.
Me used to cut yard, but a land where me used to take, you know. Me never used to work. All of Mr. Earl.
So lend me land more, me use the cut yard.
Them not there again.
Because the place stony.
You work. And when me come here, sister, when me come here, and I say, you want to put me up, I tell me there. So me come here, a place of bushy, pit down, and bone and chop, along so, you couldn't sit down there, man. When me put the house, man.
Yeah.
Chop it down, man. You put for my shed work all now, still, you know. And me chop it down, and me read it all now, you know.
When the last time you weed it?
Last month.
Oh.
You use the machine and chop the yard?
Yes, man. My shed me use and chop it. And no come not to me.
Oh Lord.
No come not to me for chop it.
But you want to brush off all on the roads?
Yes.
No come not to me.
Well, if we not get the waka for work today, maybe, you know, when it start work, we can.
Man, we can cut the yard, man. I will want to one file.
Me did want to cut the yard, man.
But you can keep trying. By the time we finish, maybe we start work.
You don't say you want to cut it yourself, but me want to cut it too.
You want to-
Yeah, me want to cut it.
By the time we finish, you start work.
Yeah, by the time we finish the other stuff. Not the yard, very funny.
By time what?
By the time.
We finish, you start work.
By time we finish cut the yard.
But that's not what I meant.
By the time we finish everything, you start work. And that's what you need.
That time I'm not ready for going.
But it not take long, maybe 15 minutes or so.
You cut off the yard?
Not, you would have cut the back or just the
Me
front?
cut every way we can cut, me I cut. On the road side, me I cut this side and over that side there.
Alright, when I do that, me go check pan Shelly. What you say?
Me say when you hear start to come out of the house. Don't look what go ahead.
Mass Nevi, I go start it for you. Mass Nevi, I go start it for you.
I'm gonna start.
You used to them for the land.
I just one card they join or what, me don't know what go on.
So
Can't see switch there.
come like you if one more.
Yeah, just one card. And then you still have to review.
Oh yeah! Yay! Tell us it soon start.
Then you say soon start.
Watch it. A Tremel because yeah, when she walk off it start.
But I mean, you don't see it start.
When as soon as you walk up from here, so.
I should stand up for that. Yes.
All right, guys.
Start.
They cut down the whole place.
You know that remove it here.
You have a key, Sherm?
Come on, bring that shoe left me. I don't know where I'm.
Just put it. Guys, thank God the weed walker is working. We are grateful. Tremel, take time, remember the road bad. How it's a going? Oh, okay. Alright. We are going to take down them there to Shelly. See one part of the Duckhan's business there, so. Alright guys, so we'll be out for a little bit. Let's see if we can help Shelly. We'll have to put on the camera at the moment because Mr. Kemp is cutting the yard. By the time Tremel comes back, she can, continue. But we'll be back in a moment. The two pieces there. They don't match, but at least, it's better than the one that was there. So we take down Mass Nevi curtain, guys, and we're putting up 2 pieces that we brought with us. Oh. Why? Oh, yeah, you want to use the face string, the curtain. Okay, so I have to use the hand make fashion this morning. One I put up the Shelly. And put the next one.
I'm going to use other shoes lace.
Eh?
I'm going to use other shoes lace.
Oh. So you can't double because it's thin. Why you put 2 pound one and gather them up? You could have worked so too.
A 4 piece?
A 2. But then again, how you say maybe could I do like that, but did I just drop it beside it and just, you know, everything for one, so then rather than them stretch out. Hold on here, hold on. Okay. Yeah, man. I 2 of them. Then largely, Chimel, watch it.
And just
That's why maybe. Oh, the bottom one. Maybe could I make a bottom one stay Shelly like how? Yeah. What is that? Where that come from? Where that did the Shelly that blew something here?
Over.
Oh, it did the over that?
try it up.
No, sir, hold on there. Largy.
It's like something.
Let me see how. Hold on. Oh, no, so maybe you know how I dash away. You know how old people stay, they love their little something, you know. You might say, no, no, dash with that. I don't really know what it is. But
Tear up, man.
you tear up, yes, take off. Take off it.
The board, alright.
We want one bed too because you see this bed, it looks like it's just a board thing them knock up together.
So I just put that, no, it's bigger than the one we have.
It's bigger.
So we are going to remember, you know,
Marcel probably would have just said take off everything, you know. Hold on there. But when you can look for Mass Nevi bed there, so give me a second in there, so 1 minute. Don't shut off that. When you look for something. I'm about to fling one stone down there, and I'm call him and in here. I want to look here. This is what we take off. But there's a sponge under there, so I don't really know.
take off it too.
You see me tell you? Frog in it? God.
One of them, I have to go throw one of them. Burn one of them.
But Marcel, I wonder, the mattress that we have, I don't know if it's big like this bed where they have your son.
Mitch, put the mattress on the bed.
So frog in there, Shelly? Oh Lord! My son, he well comfortable, you know?
You know, there's no funny, you know?
How are you there?
I'll keep one.
Yeah, search for you.
Sleeping or sleeping?
Mom,
Hold on, me I push out the box. Pass that turn the broom. Marcel want big frog in here and I want box.
what you do?
Marcel, this frog is so big inside a shake when you push the box. Sorry. Why?
Yeah? Are you hearing me now?
Out you go in Jesus' name. Shall he move from the doorway? Lord have mercy. Him gone and him come back under the bed.
See, I'll go through this.
Oh, the same walk come in. Hold on, let me drop this. Him gone.
No.
I'm not going to see him, listen.
Lord have mercy.
Where's that?
Where's salt there? Look if you see salt over.
Where they?
So I'm going to say, Jamaican. The flash sugar.
Oh, what that? Salt? No, that's not it. Oh, it down there, sir? Lord Jesus.
When there?
See him there?
See, Mass Nevi have all money.
All money drop over there, sir.
$100.
But this frog not easy though. You can't see saying in the long time. You see whole line colors. Look at it. Oh, sir. From Shelly come out first. She come out from morning, you know, when she see frog.
Don't look at where they fall from. Many splash by.
What are we there? The salt are going to make you move. What's on?
We brought tea, man.
Whoa! No, Travis!
Go away.
Yes, Marcel. In the name of Jesus. Mass Nevi say here him anytime. Jesus.
Go. Find a different place.
Where they? Where?
In the right in front of you.
Oh. Look
See,
how
that's
big
a
Shelly in the right.
Come on. Come on, see my
But you have to drop Mass Nevi door. Then look on Shelly, I do like 100 meters from.
Come on, that's a country.
Tremel, you need to pull up the door so that he don't jump back in the house.
I'm if you try to find Shelly, I know. Say that him. Yeah, she ain't gone. I'm going to find water.
Jump.
Goodbye.
Yes, man. You hear him long time, Mass Nevi?
Where think he come in on that door? Oh.
Yes, me want hammer.
You have nail? You see one hole, I'm going to nail.
Shelly, you're afraid of frog, man. You beat me.
See one nail, one hole right here, so.
Yes.
You have wood? Anything you have, put it, make you see it. I'm going to nail right there, so.
Yes, man.
We're open right there, so something come in.
Yes, you do it.
You come in on that door, Tom?
Tremel and
The door
Shelly.
want to change Mass Nevi.
I'm not
gonna know which part to find him. Oh wow.
Come on, yeah.
So Mass Nevi $100 upon the floor. Come, help Shelly. Take it easy. Jamel, remember say Shelly over there, so no squish her to your corner. Boy, I don't know what I do with this. I have to take out here. I don't know what to do with this at all. But I take off the Shelly, and then when you polish the floor now, you whole thing with the polish. You know what I'm saying? If it need a new mat. But wait a minute, hold on there. It gone under the stone there? Oh Jesus, we can't trouble it. Just do what you can do this, so we can't take it out. It where you have it under the stones on it. What that's it? Team up shrimp. See it here, see Shelly have it. Shelly, you know, say nothing, you know, you make your waste energy, you go feed and you have it. Tell you what you do, put two of them stringer in there and make it hold it.
I'm going to have a sponge, Ben, rubber,
oh. You ready for carrying this now?
Yeah, I can bring it in because
You light, you know. Hold the front part and give me.
just hold the string.
Okay. Oh, the sheet they come off for the yeah. It's a pole trim or you need something to cut it?
A pull.
Oh.
And you can draw it. I'm fully full.
So you never know?
No. Yes, it's so cool.
Full, man. Alright. Hold on, remember they polished up on the floor, so you might want, yeah. Alright. Okay. Wait, get the rope trim. Take out the rope. What is sheet then now?
Never go back here, so.
Which part? Oh, this one? Don't see it.
You know the pillow?
I hate me that one that also something that will look like one pillow. Me don't know, it don't look like he have none. It's a full sheet. I hope that you can fit it. Oh. You look little, Shelly? No, it's a full sheet. You should be able to.
So if I sheet every month, it's purple in earlier on big something.
Yeah. Which part it then? See the stitch part here. Alright guys, I have to once again say thank you to all our donors. Thanks to the gentleman in Pepper St. Elizabeth for the mattress, and thanks to those persons who would have sent us barrels and such. You could have gotten the sheet and, you know, the curtains. It was. It's soft. I feel it. Oh, not so bad. You feel okay?
Your bed bottom of her.
Oh. Alright. Never ask Mass Nevi if he have a pillow. Come in and sit down. Ask him.
Pillow there.
But that look like a clothes him probably put in there. So we have to go get him one pillow. Wow. Okay guys, so we must never have some jacket suit. I guess because he's unable to see, there's a lot of roaches in them. So we have to go ask him if we can throw out those. I don't know. See the pants there. Probably have roach in there too. Them hung up a long time. That look like somewhere. I don't know. Maybe you wear them. Wow, 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 wow. But a dirty man. What if I think still use? A clothes or a pillow? Clothes. Alright, I must see him put it in there. Well, maybe I could have just put in a one pillowcase, you know. Can't throw in something. I think put in head pan. Work where?
I could cut off a sponge and like put it in there.
Put it where? In this one thing?
Yeah, case.
Maybe that could have worked. Could have asked Marcel, maybe. We do it. Yeah, no lace not in there, but the front side look like it has strip off. Oh, so you wear this as shoes, yeah? Oh, what size shoes you wear? 8. I don't want you to come down here so yet because we have to go move the mattress out of the way. So which part we can make one fire? Run about? Lord G, I wonder if I best thing. Maybe we need for when Marcel come up. I don't want you to go down yet because the mattress in the way. Oh, you can see it? Oh. You can see it a little bit. Visually impaired. Just say like, he says he sees the place dark and sometimes cloudy. So you see him find the shoes? Yeah. Mass Nevi. Alright, you can put them there inside. Them there right there, in the other foot. No man. Hold on, see it here. Yeah, see it there. That's a one. And see next one here. Alright, hold on. One in it, so.
My father was a shoemaker, you know. My father is a state man what? He used to do the shoes that he tell farmer.
Oh.
The farmer. Big man up as go right down. I was standing here and was standing blue field. But you run with the people. Just standing blue field and you see the outside, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, I just the one I may water up and the other one.
Okay. You have everything in your hand.
So you can work now now.
Yeah, man, you can. So I forgot to take up all of these things. Hold on, Mass Nevi. We have to clear the way. The broom there at the doorway. So hold on, Mass Nevi, don't move it. Alright, you can come in now.
Why are you so no visible then, you know?
Oh, you want it back?
Yes, ma'am. Me have some clothes there, ma'am. You want to cook.
Oh, so you want we put it back on the bed for you?
Me put them back on there.
Oh, alright.
You want to put up. No?
Yeah. Alright. So you can sit down. We'll go outside, go see what go on, then we come back here.
Yes, ma'am. That's left that drum.
Oh, you drink water from the drum?
Yes.
Alright, so we carry 1 case of water so you can have some tea time being here.
Yes, ma'am. That's good.
Yes. Alright.
So you want
The water good.
Yeah. Mm?
I don't want to sleep here. By the middle.
Oh.
you put it here?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Alright guys, so Marcel has completed weeding the front and the side around there, and he's now at the back of the house. He has done this side as well. He really mean business today because he did say that he wants to ensure that he weed the entire yard. So praise be to God, it seemed like him accomplish it because he's almost done, just a little part left. Shelly. Finally, you finish. You go down there, so? It's not a lot still. Huh? We did want to work out how we do the things at the front. Oh, I forgot to say, you not hear me. We did want to work out how we do the things at the front now, like because he wants one of the sponges. So is it that we burn the other one, but where? Because we have to be now careful because I appear dry grass. Unless we are going to just lean it up and not bother with the burning.
Yes, sir. I'm making put it. Where say I put them in the kitchen?
Yeah, it's some man that normally comes sleep on tarpaulin down there, so down in the kitchen. So now it's a goat, one goat down there.
Oh.
So don't make no fire then.
Too much trash about it.
Yeah, it may say we might go make a fire and it spread.
No, we're not on rake. Like I want to rake.
Alright. So we're gonna just pack up the stuff them then, Shelly. We can pack them up and then by the time you finish. I want you to tear out. Lord Jesus. Yeah, I forgot. I don't know what to do with them there. Huh? Hold on there. Where you say, Mass Nevi? Suit, yeah, I carry one suit for you. But you see, one suit did hang up right there, you see? Yeah. And it have a lot of roach. You can't throw them out. Yes, you have one suit for you and we have 2 shirts. So the suit is a jacket and a vest and a pants. I just want to show it to you. And then we have some other shirts that we got from the barrel. So them shirt that will behind you on a string. You wear those?
Let's get it back with
Okay, make them stay, no trouble then. Alright. But the box, Mass Nevi, the box bust up out a door.
It's full of road.
It's full of roach. We can't, it bust up in and everything drop out.
I have 2 barrels them. I have 2 barrels.
Hmm?
No, because when I barrel could have cut short, that's why I can't manage it.
You know, one cutting. In gone for bag. A pure roach, you can't put it back in our house. You can't put it. What the spray where you did have, Shelly? See it. Oh!
You understand me?
No. What's if you come pick out your stuff when you want? Oh. Alright. Oh, you're not ready to throw them away yet? Alright, you're not ready to throw them away. Can't do nothing about that. I'll pack them up. That insect can throw it. That's the jacket. The jacket where they there, the arm window, Mass Nevi?
Yes.
Where the pants there?
This good.
No, that good. You can take that. That pants way over here, so. Oh, see one roach there. Run, go back in our house. That can't show it. Give him the hanger, maybe you want the hanger. Give me a hanger, I put it in our house.
You cannot see them there. Coffee.
Okay.
You are throwing away?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of seed? Oh, coffee seed?
No, split peas.
Oh, split peas.
So, we put on the piece all 9 o'clock and straight back and
Not ready. Lord Jesus, not one roach upon Mass Nevi, you know. See them here. Lord jeez.
Come here.
Hold on.
See one more umbrella.
No, Mass Nevi. We are up here roach and them might come round you.
And we still get to film him.
She has sprayed them.
Yes, ma'am.
Throw it down the Shelly. Throw it. Lord Jesus. Okay, so everything else we can throw it, right?
Yes.
So Shelly, we have to just draw this ground, so not true.
Yeah. You can stick.
Or maybe okay. It's pure roach today, you know. Mattress did, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, so we have this stuff pack up and we are carrying it around the back.
Yes, ma'am. We are going to plastic again.
You want the plastic?
Yes,
Where you do it? There?
Oh. Want the plastic could be can come up and
Oh. Alright. Alright. You say want back in plastic, master. I don't know where I'm going to do with it, but we pack up it.
We don't need that.
Shall we pack up Mass Nevi plastic? Alright, maybe we can, I'm not sure we want to cover, but maybe we can get in something later on to do that. So I forgot just leave that right there so for now, because we don't have anywhere to dispose of it. And we don't want to burn it because we don't want to leave any fire unattended. Might as well look like him soon finished.
Look.
Jesus!
You see me about the glass?
Oh my word!
You had no choice.
Namos! This stone just can't stay too close to the water. Shelly, you're a demolition man. You're a demolition man. She take pleasure to draw this up them, pair them good on the so. So the other one is saying want in the kitchen. I'm gonna tell him where they.
Bring it. You gonna bring it?
Dad will bring it. Marcel will carry it.
Oh. Yeah.
Mass Nevi, where you going? Eh? What you say you do? The plant some gungo. Oh, you know what Marcel cut them? Let me tell him. Marcel! Bottom side where? Oh, Zell! You not hear me. Zelly! You must have cut the gungo them already. Hello! Hi! You know, Mass Nevi send it plant some gungo somewhere down there so.
Where?
Yeah.
Them they not grow, man.
This man is
Yeah, start grow it.
How long now?
Yeah.
Below the Mass Nevi, below the ackee tree?
Say that way for you see them the tall one them there, but me plant them bottom side.
Oh, I want me. This see them must chop down, but
Oh.
grow back. Me plant it back. Yeah.
Where you go the sponge?
You put it now, but you better move what this first now.
Put it around our back room. Put it around our front room.
Yeah, man. Put it out kitchen. Yes, put them make up there down there.
Oh, you know what? Oh, Jesus. He not throw away. I'm surprised. He tell me if he throw away a number of things. Which is good, like some thick blanket looking thing that he had on the bed, but it.
What you throw them?
I don't know. That's the thing. We can't burn it now.
What's it?
What's it, ma'am?
No.
Never light the fire.
We not light it.
You could have let it like a tree.
Light it on the ackee tree?
If you not to do that.
You have rake?
Yes, sir.
Let me a rake, please.
Just do right there so we Shelly I do and that's it because no stick no the pan is so hard to use.
Please cut down my bar.
Yes, man.
You tell us I want to walk off the start, man.
And it did start.
I want to let you know.
What now?
You need to make a run up yourself.
So yeah, gas done, you know?
Just in time.
Just little drain.
But it cut the whole yard, Mass Nevi.
Yes, man.
So where you go now?
Give me a hammer.
You say I go get my shit.
Yeah, but the table there, sir.
Oh, you're gonna nail up here so him.
We can't go in there. That's in our place clean.
Him not look for him and he know where he put it. Bless you. Oh, is that piece of board you're going to put there somewhere as well and nail it?
It's too big.
I'm not sure. No, it's not too big.
See hammer on the table, sir?
Yes, you have it on the table.
Where nail it?
Yeah, a couple of
Put this one under the feet and pop down. Oh, so sometimes you tie that bed, you just lie down there so. Oh, like, oh,
Fan. Oh.
oh. Maybe you can put one sponge under a tree and just go and cool out. You Mass Nevi?
Yeah. One thing I don't really want.
What?
One fridge.
Oh, so you don't manage with fridge, you
Yes,
know?
man, I understand. I didn't have fridge, man.
Eh?
Yes, man, I understand.
Okay, okay.
We have it one second and one.
Yes. Yes.
Sorry,
Yes, sir.
me meet on
You
this.
have to move.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes, yes, Marcel? I said,
Put the water, you know.
No, me not move it.
oh.
This thing,
Yes, I say.
this thing.
Stay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this one.
The drum full, you say.
It's the hardest part.
Yeah.
Water. From the can carry.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so we just discovered some holes to the corners. Well, it's one corner really. A hole to the corner that Marcel is trying to close up. And then there was a hole to the door there. So Marcel just close it up with a piece of wood. So hopefully, it's not perfect, but you know, it's better than it was.
Yeah, no good.
Them all. Long time Mass Nevi have them hole there. This was not a part of today's plan, so at least we find some nails. Mass Nevi have some store up long time. Okay, so this is the frog walk going, you know.
Look, so.
I just saw him come through this morning too.
No, and by the way, we fling him out too.
Oh yeah. All right. Mass Nevi.
Yes, ma'am.
So guys, we have done what we are able to do with what little resources we had.
Sure.
So we want to say thanks to Shelly. Thanks to Trimel, my daughter. You know, they did a tremendous job. We managed to sweep down the ceiling, put up the curtains,
yes,
and, you know, put on the mattress and so on, and the new sheets.
Yeah.
Want to say thanks to the donors again.
Thank you very much.
You know, for our donors who sent the barrels so we could have the sheets, the curtains, and then the clothes as well that we'll show you in a little while, or hand over to Mass Nevi rather. And I have to say thank you to 3 donors who sent funds from which we were able to buy groceries to bring to you, Mass Nevi,
yes,
and you know, 2 new shirts, socks, and so on.
Yeah.
And let me show you those. So big up to you guys.
Yes,
thank you so much. We really do appreciate
Yes,
it.
man.
All right, we're not gonna take out these, but these are clothes. When time we're gone, you can look in there.
Yes,
these are the clothes from the bar. So you have a number of shirts and you have a pants.
It's not this one.
Yes, that one with the beside you. Let me see if I can get into this real quick. And it look like it soon start to rain.
You look like Mass Nevi cry, so.
No, man.
Mass Nevi, where you holla for?
Put back the mattress in the corner this for me, sir.
Where the machine there? Oh, the hammer is on the table.
Yes,
You fix it good. We don't want it drop.
Put the mattress right at the corner there.
Oh, Mass Nevi want one pillow?
Yeah.
Yeah, we just what is closed, they say you put in it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we just push it in one of the pillowcase until.
So the pillow there upon your throat also too.
No, me not sure what in there.
You ready? Pillow.
Is there right on your bed, one new pillowcase over it.
Oh, yes,
So
ma'am.
you said Mass Nevi jacket suit, having a vest and so on. You're gonna hang it up, Mass.
Over there, so.
Where?
Over there, so.
Oh. Alright. So Mass Nevi, you sure you? Mass Nevi?
Yes, ma'am.
So we bring another shirt. This one is yellow with tie.
Cool. Yes, we at that time, Lord.
Yes.
Okay,
And this is a blue one with gold buttons.
Lord,
Yes.
Lord.
That's the new one. Oh, so the kitchen towel here I was looking for. I found it. We bring a kitchen towel here.
Yes, ma'am.
A dish towel, right?
Put it up on the table there, so.
All right.
I have none now.
You don't have none?
No.
All right, me put it on top of the pannier.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, you can't hold it.
Dish towel, not kitchen towel.
Yes.
Thanks, Marcel.
God bless them.
Yes, and you have a merino here.
Yes, ma'am.
One like the one we have on, but
Yes.
it's grey.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yeah, new things.
Yes, and you have a pair of diamond socks.
Yes, ma'am.
It's green, grey, and black.
I know.
Let me put in the shoes them in here, so.
Yeah, man, the shoes, them, they're on there, and the socks in it.
Round here, so.
Right, yeah.
That's all right.
Mass Nevi,
Sir?
you want to wallaby class now?
Yes, man. Yes, man. You see God, man.
Yeah.
Always provide for.
Oh, Lord. See me can.
Oh, me there so far. And no man see. Oh, God said on this, sir.
God, just on time. Always.
Never know.
Yeah.
Man, remember me. Still remember me. So God good, man.
Yeah. Mass
Yes.
Nevi, the eggs you got last time, them finish?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so see, we bring you another dozen.
Yes, ma'am.
May I put it right up here, so.
Yes, ma'am.
And then you have tissue.
Yes, man.
We bring a bathing rag.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Alright, guys.
You want me? Hold on there. We bring your oats, enough oats.
Yes, so you don't want to cook, me don't cook. Alright.
Yes, hold this.
Yeah.
That's a big bag of oats.
Yeah.
Right? And the noodles you say you like, we bring some more.
Yes, ma'am. Put it in my barrel.
Yeah. You still have rice, flour, and those stuff?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Well, alright. Now
So we bring it.
Now hungry again, you know. I'm stop to me, I know.
Yeah.
Sardine, cooking oil. See your cooking oil here.
Yeah. Stop hungry now, man.
You stop hungry, not true?
Yes, ma'am.
And you have syrup. What are the last syrup that you got?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, we bring you one next one.
Buckle.
You have sardine.
Yeah, and then you want to make it back to them, start to cut me.
Oh, so you prefer the sardine?
Yes,
And here again.
If you throw it out of a tin one.
You wonder if it, yeah, like what, tummy and poison or something like that? See another bottle of syrup here.
Yes, oh God bless.
And we bring a Lasco.
Yes, you mix the oats.
Yes.
Right. The one you got in there.
You have 3 packs of biscuit here, so you eat biscuit this morning for breakfast.
Yeah, hungry.
Can't hungry. And so you have some juices here. These are not too sweet.
Yes.
So you,
All right.
yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Good.
All right. So you have your tissue and your egg up here.
Yes, man. Pack them over me down.
So when you will pack them
Yes,
away?
man. Me pack them, man.
Okay.
Don't do as much.
Yes. So me put the bag up right here. You know where to find
And you
it.
put the suit up there, so.
The suit up there, so but you're gonna make it stay up there because the last one they did up there too long and then the roaches got into
I go
it.
buy spray.
Maybe we should have bring him like a garbage bag or one of those things with holy suit. We say if we get one for you.
Yes, man. We put in it in there.
Yes.
Chew no have no shell.
All right, guys. So we have come today. We thank you so much, everyone. We thank you for your efforts. We thank you for donating. We thank you for
new things.
yes,
Everything new.
yes. Mass Nevi is more than
Oh
grateful.
God, man, you could have washed them for and a foot, man. God, this is all the house, man. Up there, so many cobweb all this.
Yes.
Cobweb it.
Yes,
And I said, me couldn't see it. We cobweb
yes. Mass Nevi same can't see the place, but it feel a little bit lighter. So we're thanking God for that.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. So big up everybody.
God bless them.
Yeah, man.
Bless who know God with me. But could have booked store basket empty, man.
Yes, man. All right, guys. So this is it. This is where we end the video for today. And how could we forget to say thanks to Mr. Kim, who cut the whole yard even after he had challenges with the weed walker. But praise be to God, it started and he did cut the entire place and it's looking beautiful. So thank you, Mr. Kim.
Yes.
All right, everybody. Until next time, thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye. Stay safe. What you say, Mass Nevi? You say bye-bye too?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye and may the blessing of God be with you.
All right.